video, we're going to show how we're going to use the Blackbox MCP through the Blackbox CLI to send as many parallel tasks remotely to be executed from your from wherever you're using the Blackbox CLI locally or in any place. So we're going to use the Blackbox MCP here, and I want to create a new task. Use the repo so we're telling it which repo, which branch, and the task is I want to add the ability for I want to add the ability for a user that is using the phone feature to send a task to the team they are a part of. So there's the team feature that is available where users can create a team and so on. And what we're gonna do, we're gonna let the agent here allow to accept features because we can call the agent. We're gonna call the agent, we're gonna be able to assign a task, but keep it part of the team, not as a personal workspace. They're part of, not their personal workspace. So this actually is not going to be executed on the CLI. The CLI is going to leverage the MCP tool to launch it here. So we can also pick the agent that we want. We can configure multiple agents at once. We can have one agent at a time, and we can configure. So the task is now running to add the ability for users using the phone to send tasks on there. There it is. So now we're going to just refresh right here. So we have a new task running right now. So